Hey YouTube, have a small project here I want to show you. It actually came from one of my oversights. I have this nice faux bamboo nightstand. I put this cool glossy coral paint job on it, but if any of y'all have experienced this, the nightstand drawer wants to just fall out. And the reason for this is that the runner is absolutely shot. It's been worn down by this metal piece. It slides back and forth, so there's no grip to it whatsoever, and I just can't send a piece off like this. The drawer's gonna fall out. No one's gonna be happy. But fortunately, through my hoarding, I have a solution. This is a very similar drawer runner that I salvaged from a dresser that I found on the side of the road. I thought it could be a piece that could have been saved, and it turns out it was just a piece that was good for parts. And I think there's a lesson in that even the worst, most trashed piece of furniture is good for something. So this runner appears to be the same thickness, size, shape, everything we need to replace this. So I'm going to take this out with a screwdriver and cut this down to size and screw it back in. Hopefully we have a solution and a functional nightstand. The worst part of this whole thing is that the drawer is so narrow I can't get my electric screwdriver in here, so I have to do it by hand. I have to use a very short screwdriver. But it appears to be coming out. And this shows you the extent of the damage. It is so worn thin here, but at the back it's a completely different shape. So we're going to keep this as a template to get the right dimensions, and we're just going to transfer the holes onto the new piece so that everything lines up. So I have the two butted back to back. I'm just going to drive this screw in, and that should leave a little dimple which will tell me where to drill. That's the plan. That is where we will drill it out. Before we cut the new piece, it dawned on me that it might be a good idea to mark where this one ends and where that screw is. This should help line that up. Oh, you can't see back there, but we'll do the same thing at the back. Alright, we are out of the dark warehouse, so y'all can see. Got this screw in. This one started. It's going in easily. Everything seems lined up pretty good. Check that out. Look. Holding its place. That would have fallen on the last drawer. This would have been on the ground. So this is a much better improvement. It's not perfect. I'm sure there was a little bit of difference between the two, but it's about consistent with the bottom. I feel a lot more comfortable selling this piece now. So the two takeaways are: this is an easy fix if you're having this problem. Totally something you can do at home. If you've got the ability to run two screws, you can do this. And those parts are available through salvage pieces, and they're available online, so you can find it on Amazon. And the second one is, don't ever pass up a piece on the side of the road, because it might be the donor piece that bails you out of a tight spot. Until next time.